Right. Another HEMA summit. Mynydd Llanybyther. Probably got that wrong, and I do apologise for the wind. Drive on summit. True point is over there, so hopefully I can get this up on get this activated quick. I don't know if I'm meant to be on here, but never mind. But, we shall see. Right. Mynydd Llanybyther HEMA summit. Golf Whiskey Stroke Hotel Mike Whiskey 059 with the M0 TVO Magic Tenor and the Zago G90. It's meant to do 40 to 6, but it will kind of tune up on 80. So I'm going to try and get this done on HF. I have got a handheld with me. Might possibly collapse the pole down and get the HMW-059 CV in the AC, which is in the car, which is over there-ish. 3 comms towers, but I don't think there's going to be much problems, but let's crack on. Well, there's contesters on a picture clear frequency and the band's crap. 80 metres was a washout. So I'm trying 40. Hello CQ, 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 CQ. Mike Whiskey 6, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. Mike Whiskey 6, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable, calling CQ HEMA, CQ HEMA. Mike Whiskey 6, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable, calling CQ, standing by. Well, it's very windy and I'm sorry if the camera keeps moving. I'm also securing it. We're on? There we go. Hello CQ, 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 CQ. Mike Whiskey 6, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. Mike Whiskey 6, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. Mike Whiskey 6, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable, calling CQ HEMA, standing by. The bad thing about the Zago is the display is crap. And if you've got questions on my car, that change when it gets more slowly, it's even worse.
Mexico Whiskey 6, please.
Yes, Mexico Whiskey 6, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. You are 5 and 9, 5959 QSL.
Okay, Mexico Whiskey 6, Kilo India Oscar, I hope it's correct. Mexico Whiskey 6, Kilo India Oscar, is that Roger?
Roger, you've got it. I am a portable station in South Wales, QSL.
Roger, give me your name. My name is Ralph is the name, your father and son, Roger.
Okay, thanks for that one, Ralph. My name is Dom, Delta Oscar Mike, QSL.
Dom, okay. Have your locator?
Yep, 2 seconds. My locator is Italy Oscar 72 Whiskey Alpha. Italy Oscar 72 Whiskey Alpha, QSL.
Please, your locator.
Italy Oscar 72 Whiskey Alpha. Italy Oscar 72 Whiskey Alpha.
Mike Whiskey 6, Kilo India Oscar Strong Portable, Delta Oscar 1, Kilo Radio Tango, bye, 73.
73, enjoy the weekend, bye for now.
CQ, looking for England, North Ireland, Scotland, or Wales, any station on the frequency. CQ15.
And let's time on that. 1328. because he's going to want to know the good.
Tango, looking for England, North Ireland, Scotland or Wales station. Echo India 6, India Romeo Bravo. Secure 15, secure 15, secure 15, Delta Oscar 1, Kilo Radio Tango.
Initially I didn't like this summit, but I quite like it. The trig point is just behind you. The end fed is leaving in the breeze. That's the 7 metre pole, should have taken the 9, so it's going down and across to the Bannon thing down there, and the radius off flipped over there. You've seen it before when I went to see Cruncher. I've qualified it, and I'm going to see what's on the other bands, and then I think I'll just give the old reliable a go. That's 2 metres. It's 10 metres doing like 320. Doesn't look like 10 metres is going much. Oh, 10 metres is flat as a bloody pancake. I think it might be time to give the old reliable 2 metres a go. It's qualified anyway. So let's see what we can stir up in a minute. Right, so I managed to qualify on HF. Was a struggle to start off with. Couldn't get anything on 80, I mean that pen's not good for 80 anyway. 40 was a bit of a struggle. Not sponsored. I've got a few in 40, 20 was good. And 80 megahertz you heard. And I just get one on 2 metres, the solar station. I'd already worked him on 40 metres anyway. So what do I think of this summit? Well, there's not much to it really. It's not the best summit I've ever done. It's not the worst summit I've ever done. Comms towers, no issue with it. It's on access land, so I don't know where the access land stops. But I was naturally concerned about leaving the car down there and messing around. You see people leave bloody rubbish everywhere. I don't know, people. So yeah, I'm going to sit in the car for a bit, have a bit of lunch. After that, I don't know. So yeah, day 2 of Welsh Adventure. Tomorrow, going to do another HEMA summit. Llanybyther Hill, or Llanybyther Hill, I'm pronouncing these wrong. People are going to rip into me now. You're pronouncing that one wrong again. This one is near Swansea. That I'm going to do, and I've not really done HF by the sea. So hopefully the bands are good. Got a great ground plane, the Salty Sea. Anyway, I'll put the QSO map thing at the end of the video. So that's it for this one. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up and all that lot, and I'll catch you again. Bye for now.